Infection control in healthcare facilities. The Centers for Disease Control website lists more than 24 different types of infectious diseases that may be acquired by patients in healthcare facilities. Patients are not the only group of people that will be infected in healthcare facilities. There are many guidelines and policies are available to protect both patients and the healthcare providers. I want to add one more to the list, and that is the visitors to the healthcare facilities. In spite of all regulations, all the good intentions, the Centers for Disease Control has published that 2 million people get infected in hospitals a year in the United States. Out of these 2 million people, 90,000 die because of infections occurred in hospitals. There are other healthcare facilities, nursing homes and healthcare services. I do not have statistics to share with you now. The death of 90,000 people in a year is equivalent to one large plane crash a day. Hospital infections add $4.5 to $5.7 billion more to the healthcare costs in this country every year. Ladies and gentlemen, we can begin to reduce this many untimely loss of life and revenue if we take infection control in healthcare facilities little more seriously. How would we control infections in healthcare facilities? It takes knowledge, practice, and with the help of proper tools as control products. Above all, people have to walk the talk. Let me add a sad incident happened last year. One of the top educational institutions in this country, an eminent scientist, student of MIT and Harvard, spent his lifetime on developing a vaccine for the bacterium Yersinia that causes the bubonic plague. He got infected and died at the age of 60 in a pursuit to save the lives of millions of people worldwide. In spite of his great knowledge and experience, this eminent professor became a victim. How about novice healthcare technicians? You will see many educational tools on infection control, but this one is different. This class will bring to you a lot of visual effects as possible to make this class interesting and effective for you and fun to watch, entertaining, informative and empowering. Remember this class, Infection Control in Healthcare Facilities, brought to you by Dr. Manish Karia at the Texas A&M University, Kingsville. Thank you for listening.